What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to do a quick little video about a piece of equipment that isn't talked about all that often in FPV and really should be, especially if you're just getting into it. So you've gotten decided to get into FPV, you got your drone, you got your controller, got your batteries, got your bag, got all that stuff, and you're thinking, yeah, I'm good to go, right? Wrong. There's one other thing you need to think about, and that is a recovery system. Well, what do I mean by that? Well, drones fly, and therefore they get stuck in things, especially trees. So get something like this. This is my recovery system. It's 100 feet of paracord, and I have what's called an arborist throw on the end of it. And that's really nice because it's actually designed to be thrown up into trees and snake through the branches as it comes down, and it really doesn't get stuck. And it's got enough weight to it, if I can get it out. It's got enough weight to it, and it's got some give to it. So it's easy to throw up really high and it doesn't get stuck, and it will save you some grief. Especially if you're trying something new. Like lately I've been working on my backwards flying, and I ended up in a tree 3 times in one session, and because of this guy, wasn't a problem. Was able to get it down without any problem at all, and was able to keep on flying. But obviously this is only going to work for you if your drone is somewhat reachable. Sometimes your drone is at the very, very top of like a eucalyptus tree, and then you're in trouble. You know, you're not going to be able to throw a line up there or something. Something you could do if you have another drone or you got a friend with you, you could pull a line up over the tree with that drone and try to get it out that way. I've seen that work before. Sometimes a really long pole works well, like a painter pole, or an electrician push-pull will work really well. But if it's somewhere where you absolutely can't get it, then you need to make a judgment call about, because now we're talking money. Because you could pay somebody to go up there. Like there are tree trimming specialists who can go up and get your quad for you, because that's what they do. They climb hard to climb dead, precarious trees. And it's far better to pay someone else to do it than risk your own neck and not do it safely. I had to do that once. I had about $700 hanging up in a tree, and it was $120 to pay someone to come out and climb that tree and get it down, but you know, it was worth it. If it was a $30 toy drone, it would probably still be up there. So anyway, yeah, just something to think about. Always have a plan for the worst. And you know, it'll empower you to take more risks because you've got a plan to get it back if things go wrong. And there is no feeling worse than driving away from a big tree with your quad still up in it, knowing that there's absolutely nothing you can do to get it back. All right, until next time, everybody. See ya.